And now I would like to once again return to the tarp. In the storage locker under the seats is a Bimini top with collapsible arcs. This is a fairly good solution. But putting the arcs up in the right places is not easy for two people, and for one person, it is virtually impossible, even more so in conditions such as storms, strong winds and rain, all while affected by waves. Meanwhile, the tarp is an integral part of the purchase for many buyers. This is why we decided to create a tarp that one person will be able to install in seconds, without putting too much thought into it. At the same time, the tarp would have to occupy less than a millimeter of space on the fishing platform. That's what we decided, and that's what we did. See for yourself. One more modification of the ALUMA STORM 477, a collapsible tarp under the fishing platform. Look. You open the locker, pull out the tarp, open it, and lock it in place with snap hooks. Putting up the tarp only took several seconds. If you need to assemble the tarp completely, that is done according to the standard scheme. But here's the main thing. Even taking into account that the arcs are firmly fixed to the gunwale and that the tarp is stored under the fishing platform, the tarp's height is 1 meter 80 centimeters. This will allow you to keep fishing under the tarp even in bad weather. And it is just as easy to collapse. You open up the locker, unlock the snap hooks, and put it back in the locker. It's fast and easy.